Hey, happy new year. Another year has passed, 2024. I can't believe it. I guess I've unintentionally been growing out my hair on top. Let me see if I can turn on some more lights here. And things are looking kind of cluttered over here, but I'm going to be getting rid of things this year. This is my cleanup year. I'm cleaning things up. I This is what my hair is looking like. And today I was actually doing some little bit of work on my laptop, and my wife asked me, "Why do you always work all the time? It's New Year's Day. Shouldn't you take a day off? When do you get your annual leave?" And I laughed. My work really isn't like work. So it's uh, it's okay to do it, I guess. Sorry, I got distracted. My baby's shouting out there, and I heard something. Anyways, so this is what my hair is looking like. Uh, it's growing out like usual. I do not use any more minoxidil. It's been since 2020 September. I think I've stopped using minoxidil. That's funny enough because that's when I discovered I was having my first child even. So maybe those two are linked. I don't know. But anyways, I stopped using minoxidil then. I have zero hair loss anymore. This is pretty much all permanent hair right here. I can comb through it and nothing falls out. My wife has more hair falling out than I do. Um, Maybe this is the year. Maybe this year I will do one more hair transplant, get it all going. We'll see. We'll see where we are in April this year or March. I feel I don't like I feel the new year doesn't start till taxes are done. I don't know what it is. I don't like I like just grinding and working till taxes are done, and then that's when the better weather starts, and then I like to do things, I guess, in the year. Plus, it's Jan. What's there to do in Jan? I guess my parents' anniversary's coming up. Feb is fun. I guess you got Valentine's Day. Anyways, I'm just ranting. It's not even about my hair, but New Year, good day, good things are going on. My son is turning 3 months next tomorrow, so that is exciting. It's a milestone. He's very aware now. He's laughing. He's smiling every time uh, he sees us. So it's a lot of fun, and it's going to be a fun year. So stay tuned for more updates on the hair journey, and talk later. And let me know if you have any questions or concern. Oh, also, I don't ever use finasteride. Never use it. Never use Propecia or finasteride. Same thing. And that's about it.